How to use Instabridge Wi-Fi password.
Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the Instabridge Wi-Fi password app step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, install the Instabridge Wi-Fi app on your mobile phone from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. After opening the app, go ahead and tap on the Map option. Next, you'll need to turn on your location services because the app requires location access to show nearby Wi-Fi networks. Once your location is enabled, you'll see multiple Wi-Fi networks available around you. You can select any network and the app will display details about it, including the password after watching a short ad. That's how you can use the Instabridge app to find and connect to nearby Wi-Fi networks easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.